KON-16 continues to reveal itself to be just an absolutely fantastic opportunity, both geologically and commercially. We're very excited about the level of progress. Specifically, a couple of things. The seismic acquisition has been completed, so that was a great sort of final step in terms of preparing to better understand and ultimately get to work on the block from a drilling perspective. So the seismic acquisition is done. The fast track results are expected sometime over the next month or so, which is great. We'll have some early, what we expect to be confirmatory visibility into the prospects, their size, their contours, which we expect to certainly edify our expectations of the very large potential prize that is KON-16. Corcel has had tremendous inbound interest from various potential partners on KON-16. There is the opportunity to execute a farm out. And so those conversations are ongoing and are very active and very robust. And so from a capital allocation point of view, I think, it remains to be seen kind of what that looks like and what is the best outcome for the joint venture. But those conversations continue and very fortunately are underpinned by a huge level of enthusiasm and promise on the block. Our participation in KON-16 is an excellent expression of our strategy, getting involved relatively early together with Corcel before all of the seismic acquisition was complete and deploying a little bit of capital to help facilitate that. Against a backdrop where the potential opportunity on KON-16 is offshore in its scale. I mean, if things sort of ultimately unfold as we think they may, recoverable barrels from the initial prospects on KON-16 are over 300 million barrels. So it's sort of an offshore prize for an onshore cost. I think it's important when you are making a commitment to a country and to a business and to an industry to be there when your fellow stakeholders, co-participants, and everybody is gathering. There is no substitute to being present. There is no better framework or forum to sort of gather intelligence and understand how things are going and where they could be headed, which again sort of leads into the third element of this, which is to be able to think about what else we can do. And we're so fortunate in our partnership with Corcel. I mean, there's an in-country team that is busier than and more attuned to and connected to what's going on in country. So, we have the great benefit of that, but being able to be there together and just participate to see what else there is to do and where things are headed. And also just to sort of witness the progress of which there has been significant amounts. So